When you call Precision Garage Door Service, the person who shows up at your house matters. Because we believe we're only as good as the technician that shows up at your door. Every Precision technician is personally hired, trained, and certified by Precision Door Service. Our technicians not only fix garage doors and openers, they uphold our values and beliefs. Professionalism, dependability, and trust. By the time our technicians have reached your garage door, they've already worked on every major brand of opener and door. We carry a variety of garage door openers on our trucks, so at the time of repair, we can always replace. So how do we prepare our technicians before they ever take a call? Right here in our state-of-the-art training facility. It's equipped with every type of garage door and opener you'll find in homes. Here, our technicians gain full field experience, learning, testing, and mastering the work they'll soon perform in your home. And when it's time to replace your garage door altogether, Precision Garage Door Service makes it simple and stress-free. Investing in a new garage door is one of the smartest decisions you can make for your home. It adds security, efficiency, and curb appeal, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Our process begins with a free in-home consultation and estimate. Our knowledgeable team helps you explore options that fit your home's style and your budget. And with flexible financing options, upgrading your garage door has never been easier. From professional installation to precise fitting and post-installation support, our technicians handle every detail. Choose from a variety of styles to match your home. Whatever your vision, we'll help bring it to life. When you choose Precision Garage Door Service, you're not just choosing a company, you're choosing a team of experts trained to do the job right, efficiently, and on time. And that's why you can be confident in every repair, every replacement, every visit. We're here to keep your door and your home working with precision.